There's the crib. There's cabinet and lamp that Adrian made. I can just picture you on the wall. There's the old crib. There's her. There's the changing table that we got that's new. It's pretty cool. Laundry pan. Playpen. And then inside the playpen on top of it is like a little bouncing thing for baby to sit in. Yeah, shit. Playpen. Little changing pad that goes on top of the playpen. It's kind of crazy. Rocking chair that's not done yet because I'm a lazy bastard. There you go.